If you're considering buying the Delta Sales app, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the essential insights to determine if it's the right choice for your sales team. And if you're on the fence, I'll also show you how you can try it completely free with a special deal just for you. First off, Delta Sales app is designed to streamline the sales process for businesses, offering everything from lead management to sales automation. But how does it compare to other apps in the market like HubSpot or Salesforce? Well, let's break it down. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. Unlike other CRM platforms that can overwhelm you with features you may never use, Delta Sales app offers a more straightforward, user-friendly interface. It's designed to get your sales team up and running quickly without the steep learning curve. If you've used platforms like Salesforce, you know that it can take a while to get comfortable with the system, but Delta makes it a lot easier to jump in and start selling faster. The third thing you should know is about the automation features. Many CRMs offer automation, but Delta's sales automation is one of its standout features. It helps streamline repetitive tasks, such as follow-up emails and lead tracking. This frees up more time for your sales team to focus on high-priority tasks like closing deals, something you won't always find in more basic CRM solutions. The fourth thing is pricing. While many CRM tools charge a premium, Delta Sales app offers more affordable plans with a lot of the same features you'd expect from a high-end CRM. This makes it a great option for small to mid-sized businesses who want a robust sales tool without breaking the bank. If you've been hesitant about the high costs of CRM platforms like Salesforce or Zoho, Delta offers a more budget-friendly alternative. Next, let's talk about integrations. A CRM is only as good as its ability to sync with other tools in your tech stack, and Delta Sales app does a solid job here. It integrates well with tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and even Zapier, so you can connect it to hundreds of other apps you may already be using. While other CRMs may require third-party tools or custom development, Delta keeps things simple with built-in integrations. The sixth thing to note is reporting and analytics. If you're looking for detailed insights into your sales funnel, Delta does a good job providing custom reports that help you track progress, forecast revenue, and spot areas that need improvement. This is one area where Delta shines above simpler CRM tools that may only offer basic analytics, making it a strong contender for businesses looking to scale. Finally, the customer support is top-notch. With Delta Sales app, you get access to 24/7 support, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. While other CRMs often require long wait times or expensive add-ons for premium support, Delta ensures you're not left in the dark when you need help. So, if you want to try out Delta Sales app, click the first link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and see how it can improve your sales process. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get a hands-on feel for what Delta can do for your business. In conclusion, while Delta Sales app may not be the best fit for every business, if you're looking for a user-friendly, affordable CRM with strong automation, integrations, and support, it's definitely worth considering. Try it for free today and see if it's the right tool to help your sales team grow.